Hello, good morning student and welcome in past student motivation lecture series. Today we have a very smart girl as a guest, Miss Neelam. She is very hard worker, she is very sincere and I must say she is a queen of the presentation. Her presentation is superb in board paper. Even in the prelim paper I have checked. She had taken admission in science college. We all wish her all the best for her very bright future. So on behalf of May 21 SSC board batch, I would like to welcome her. Welcome bachcha. Please share your ideas, tips. Okay. Thank you bachcha.
This is Neelam Ambre. Today I am here to share my SSC examination experience with you all guys. And I know many ex-students have shared the experience already with you all guys. But you guys are so lucky that you all have such a cool motivators like us. So now let's come to the point that if you all are aiming for a very nice college, for that you all have to score good marks, and to score good marks you all have to study hard. And for that I'm going to suggest you all some tips, like as from my experience I'm going to tell you all little bit I will give you a little bit this thing examples, like what can you all do to score good marks. So I would like to tell you all that for languages you all can surely prefer textbook reading, because textbook reading will help you in many ways. Like in textbook it's almost everything in the textbook, so you all can prefer textbook for languages. And there is nothing like from nothing comes from outside, there is all given from textbook. Some questions are being twisted, but you all will think like no, it's from outside or something. No, they just twist the question, but it is all from textbook. And rather than that, if will come on math subject, it's algebra and geometry. That is also like if you all just try to understand the method, if you all get the method, then it's very easy to solve the sums. And I'll give you one suggestion, that Vijay is the best option to practice or to study maths. Without any doubts you can just go and ask him anytime. He will just like he'll teach you whatever the doubts you're having. He'll give you nice clarification over that, and he is like he will show you all the steps, easy steps to solve the same sum in many different ways. So he can do that for you all guys. So you all can take his advice in maths. And in maths you all can just you all have to just understand the method, how the sum is done, then you all can just solve it further in many ways, in many different ways you all can solve it. And in science also Vijay sir can Vijay sir can teach you many things in science, cause science may there are things which are tough, yeah, but he gives a very easy and very you know very quick, very nice examples. With examples he'll teach you very nice things. And languages mein to you all can just surely prefer textbook, because it's everything from textbook. In languages there is no answers, big answers and all, so yeah, you all can prefer textbook reading for that, languages and all. So I hope you guys understand what I am trying to explain you guys, that in languages if you all if you all get the concept what is it in science and in languages, if you all get the concept, it's very easy for you guys to write answers in your board exams. Yeah. And in board exams, one thing keep in mind always, that you all have to keep your presentation neat and clean. When you write the paper, you'll have to first check it all. And you'll have to set timing and all for that, because if your writing is fast, yeah, then it's okay for you guys. But then if you like you all will write la 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 very slow, it's not going to help you guys. So timing ka you'll have to manage, you'll have to plan everything and to write during exams. Yeah, and they give you time almost 15 to 20 minutes in the start, so yeah, y'all can make it out. And not to get nervous, just there is nothing to get nervous. Yeah, I know that everybody gets nervous, even I, but then you'll have to. And then to score nice marks, you'll have to follow the tips which Vijay sir gives, because yeah, every teacher will give you. And because of this pandemic, you guys have got enough time to study. Yeah, and even your portion has get less, so you all can study as hard as your concentration is. And like every teacher is being like telling you ki do this, they are giving you advices, because they know, they check board's papers. So yeah, they whatever they say, you just mark it and keep and follow the rules and follow what they say. I know. So just it's that is. And I will tell you all one thing, that everybody is having that mindset that 10th standard ka result doesn't matters. Yeah, but if you all want good college, it really matters. Yeah, because if you wanted to go to a very known and very popular college, for that, what's their cutoff, you'll have to match your percentage like as per their cutoff. If you are not eligible for that, you won't get to go over there, and then your friends are going, you are not going. Even I am suffering to that. So yes, I hope you guys best of luck. I wish you guys best of luck, and I hope you all do well. Best of luck, and thank you.